this video I will explain how to draw a basic diagram in Autocad. The part 1 of this video is already been uploaded in my channel. Kindly check it out. The link will be available in the description. So in this video the given question is draw the below diagram using Autocad software and measure the dimensions. So initially first we will sketch the outer line of this diagram. So open Autocad. The first command you have to give it the limits. You have to set the limits. Type in some, enter. The lower left corner you have to specify as 210 and press enter. And the upper right corner you have to specify as 297 and press enter. So the second command you have to give is units. Enter units. And in the precision you have to give it as 0 and press OK. Now first we will draw this diagram, this line. So this line will be 120 plus 10, so 130 mm. So make sure that ortho is switched on and polar tracking is switched on. So I have to draw 130 mm. Go to line command. So 130 mm. So this line is drawn. Now we have to draw this line. So this entire line will be 60 plus 60, 120 mm. So from here 120 mm. So next one will be this line. So this line will be 120 plus 10 plus 70. We have to draw in such a way. So press line. From here 120 plus 10 plus 70 and press enter. So now this line is drawn. So next this line has to be drawn. So it is 60 mm. So from here you have to draw 60 mm. Now switch off the ortho mode and connect these two lines and press enter. So the outer sketch is done. Now let's see how we are applying this fillet here of radius 30. Go to fillet and radius you have to type 30 and press enter. Now we have to select the first object, that is this line, and now we have to select the second object, this line. So the fillet is applied. Now we will draw this line. So the height of this line is 30 mm. So from here I have to draw for 30 mm, and next is for 10 mm. Again join it here. So now we have to delete this line. Delete this. And now join these two lines at the center. So now we have to draw this circle. This circle is 40 mm away from here and 60 mm away from the top. So now it's a line command, and from here draw for a line for 40 mm and extend it and press enter. So from here draw a line for 40 mm and then a line for 60 mm. Okay, now we have to draw this circle of diameter 40 mm. So press the circle command and diameter and type 40 and press enter. Now the circle is drawn. So now we have to give dimension to the diagrams. So first we will do this one. Press the dimension command, press this and extend it and press enter. This one. Always the dimension should be outside the diagram, it shouldn't be the inside the diagram. Next one is this one. Go to radius, select dimension and press enter. Here dimension, once this dimension is given, this line should be deleted. That's how dimension is done. And if you have any doubts, you can either comment in the comment section, or even my mail ID is available in the description. You can mail me and I will be solving those doubts in the upcoming video. Thank you.